Lev Vygotsky theory, often referred to as a sociocultural theory, is a prominent theory in developmental psychology that emphasizes the crucial role of social interaction and cultural context in shaping cognitive development, unlike theories that focus on individual discovery like Piaget's. Vygotsky argued that learning is a fundamentally social process.
Scaffolding is an instructional technique that breaks complex tasks into manageable steps, providing temporary support to help students progress toward independence.
Hindi nagtagal ay nagbago ang anyo ng bata at naging isang engkantada. At sinabi kay Nika, ikaw nga ulit. At sinabi kay Nika, masamang bata, papalusahan kita dahil sa iyong masasamang gawa. Gagawin kitang isang laruan. Once upon a time, there was a wood cutter called Tejas, foolish looking lad that inalagaan at minahal nila ang bata at tinawag nila itong Nika. Sa edad na 5, si Nika ay lumaking maganda. Binigyan nila ito ng magagandang damit at masasarap na pagkain.
As you can see on the video presented, there's a scaffolding which proves Lev Vygotsky's sociocultural theory. The scaffolding in the video clearly shows Vygotsky's idea that learning improves through social interaction and guidance, specifically within the learner's potential learning zone or ZPD. These supports help learners achieve more than they could alone. The scaffolding helps learners reach a higher level of understanding.